Welcome to the XL Pump Warehouse. My name is Sean Sullivan. Today I'll be taking you through our online store, show you what we have available, go through how to set up an account and see your specific pricing, and even go through the checkout process. The online store can be found at shop.xlfluidgroup.com. As you see, we have pumps, pump parts and spares, pump station accessories, some last chance items which we'll get into later, and then some of the pump brands, though we will have more to come. Here's some of our last chance items. These are items where once we sell them, we're probably not going to get them back in stock, so get them while you can. In order to go in to create your account or see your account, you're going to go click that top right hand corner, then enter your email address. You won't have a specific password. Every time you will get a 6-digit code that we'll send to that email. Here's my 6-digit code. It expires within 15 minutes, so don't lollygag. Next, once you're signed in, you can kind of see orders. I haven't placed any orders personally, but you can see your account info, what company you're associated with once you sign up. Give us 24 to 48 hours once you sign up, and we'll go through and assign you specific pricing. For this demonstration, everything that we're going to see is list price, but we'll go ahead and add this Barnes 4SE non-clog pump to our cart. And again, this is list pricing on that. Go through. From the marketing manager's perspective, I would like you to select email me for news and offers, but you don't have to. Go ahead and put in your information. Choose your shipping. If you do have your own shipping account that you'd like to work with, go ahead and click that. We will contact you to get those details before we ship, but it's not a problem. We are equipped to use your shipping account. If you don't find what you're looking for, or your project's tax exempt, give us a call at 888-419-4106, or you can reach out to Dan Wyman at dan.wyman at xlfluidgroup.com, and we'll try to find that product and place an order for you. Thanks for joining me, and hopefully you'll be able to use the XL Pump Warehouse for your quick and easy orders from job site or even back at the office. Thank you.